Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over the question, what's the difference between accountant view and business view on QuickBooks Online? Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you've gotten started with QuickBooks and you realize that there's two different views. What's the difference between accountant view and business view on QuickBooks Online? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the difference between both the views is that if you're brand new to QuickBooks and you want a simple, straightforward interface, especially when it comes to running a business, then you want to stay on business view. So in order to do that, you want to click on the gear icon and then click on switch from accountant view to business view. Now, if you want complete control over QuickBooks Online's functionalities and you're a bit more familiarity with the lingo or jargon that happens in accounting, then you want to stay in accountant view. In order to switch views, again, you're going to go into the gear icon and then switch from business view to accountant view. So business view is simple and straightforward. It's good for beginners, but if you want complete control and more control over the functionalities and complexities that QuickBooks has to offer, then stick with the accountant view. But that's the main difference between the two, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.